I've been extremely busy, so I want to apologize. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I want to make a verbal announcement to all of the winners of the Joe Tech Tips 15,000 subscriber giveaway. Now we have 15 winners, actually technically 16 winners. I want to apologize. This whole vacation week has been literally a vacation for me, so I will be shipping out these prizes to you momentarily, within a week or less. But I do want to make public of all the things that everybody have won, and this is awesome, and I'm excited to share this information with everyone because all this stuff is being shipped out worldwide, and this is actually pretty amazing. So right off the bat, about I believe a day or two before we went live to do the 15,000 subscriber giveaway, and I did ask a question. The first person who makes a comment, I'm gonna give a $25 Amazon gift card right now. Okay, hold on. I want to see how smart you guys are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is it? What's the model? I need to know the model of this video card. All right, this was the question, and nobody could guess it. However, during the live stream, someone did, and that person is Forrest Smith. He won a $25 Amazon gift card. So I want to congratulate Forrest Smith for guessing what this video card is. This is Fermi based. This is a EVGA GTX980 Ti. That's what this is. Bought it brand new myself. So anyway, moving on. So Witt-Dog was number 2, and he won a wireless camera. And the wireless camera is this. So Witt-Dog won this. So I will be, if you're watching this and all the members who actually won, please email alerts@joetechtips.com with your mailing address so I can send this stuff out to you. I believe I only have 4 people, so I need everybody's address so I can send this to you, no matter where you are in the world, okay? So Witt-Dog, you got the wireless camera. That's right here, ready to go. Ruben, he won actually he actually won this, but where he is in the Netherlands does not work, this digital tuner. So because he did win this legitimately and I couldn't give it to him because he actually said in the chat that it doesn't work in his country, I gave him another $25 Amazon gift card. So this actually went to B-Dog. B-Dog actually got this. So he won this. B-Dog, congratulations. I'm shipping that out to you immediately. Number 4 in line, we have Forrest Smith. He won the UberTuner. Now just remember, everything that you see here are reviewed. All right, everything. This is the only one I'm looking at. I don't use them, so right now I'd rather give it away to someone who actually could use it. So this is an UberTuner. We reviewed this. This works really well for guitar, for tuning. Forrest Smith got this, so I'm shipping this out to Forrest Smith. Let's see. B-Dog got the tuner. Luke got one of these lights. So we have 3 lights here that we gave away. And these 3 lights went to 3 individual people who... So what we did was we went through a bunch of questions through the live stream, which lasted about an hour and 45 minutes. And everybody... It was a great stream, and I want to thank everybody for joining in and participating. It was amazing. So Forrest got one of these. Luke got one of these. How cool is that? That's pretty neat, man. Check it out. That shows you how bright these things are. Ruben got one of these. And let's see what else we got here. We got a couple other things that I have to announce. And they're all getting shipped out. So they're still right here, ready to go. And Maria gets the Cronova ring light. Congratulations, Maria. You got the ring light. That's coming. So don't worry. everybody, don't worry, everybody's going to get their stuff. Ivanchi won the VR camera. That's being sent out. Luke won the HDMI. This is a Tech Hole product. We made a bunch of jokes about it because it's funny. Tech Hole. It's really hilarious. Let's see. The string lights, which they're over there, I believe. Yeah, the string lights are over there. And that goes to Laith. Laith gets those. Let's see what else. We have... Luke also got the FM transmitter. So Luke gets the FM transmitter. Then we have one left here, which is Stazmatic, and he gets the HDMI switcher, which is really cool. And then the one person who actually won the $500 Amazon gift card, which is Witt-Dog, and he is actually located in Utah. You see 25 on the screen? Here we go. Soon as I hit the generate button, we will find out who the winner is. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 9. Number 9 is Witt-Dog. Witt-Dog, you are the winner of the Amazon gift card, $500. Congratulations. You just won. Witt-Dog. Congratulations, Witt-Dog, for the $500 Amazon gift card. Congratulations. Call me on the phone right now. And congratulations to Witt-Dog for winning the $500 Amazon gift card. We did stream live on December 13th, and it was a absolutely incredible time. So this is a thank you to all the subscriptions and all the subscribers that I have and members, part of Joe Tech Tips. It has been an amazing 2020. We're going to start 2021 with a bang. I just want to thank everybody for participating, that we hit 15,000 subscribers and moving forward to 16 and beyond. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And be sure, if you heard your name on this and you haven't sent me your email, your mailing address, please do so as soon as possible so I can get this stuff out. Alerts at joetechtips.com. Thank you.